Very good morning, friends. Let us see another problem on lateral surface development of a truncated prism. Those who are watching my video first time, please subscribe my channel, share this video to your friends, and don't forget to press like button. Let us begin with this problem. The problem is a regular pentagonal prism of height 60 mm and base edge 30 mm. It's a prism, pentagonal prism. Height is given 60 and base edge is given 30 mm. Rest with its base on HP. The vertical phase closest to VP is 30 degree to it. Draw the development of the truncated prism with its truncated surface inclined at 60 degree to its axis and bisecting it. Look at the conditions. So let's see. Let us draw an horizontal line. Let us draw a reference line. Horizontal reference line like this. Construct one 30 degree inclination line with respect to VP. So I'll construct a 30 degree inclination line with respect to VP. So this inclination should be 30 degree. This should be 30 degree. This and this should be 30 degree. Okay, now let us construct one pentagon, regular pentagon of edge 30 mm. So I'll go to line command, choose thicker line. Let's construct a pentagon of sides 30 mm, 30 into 0 degree, then 30 into 72, next 30 into 72 into 2, next 30 into 72 into 3, next 30 into 72 into 4. So I got a pentagon. I got a pentagon of side 30 mm. Next step is keep one of its edge on 30 degree inclination line. For that I will go to rotate. I'll go to move and I will rotate. Just go to move, select this, switch off copy, select any one of the corner. Let's place it on 30 degree inclination line, then go to rotate, select this pentagon and switch off copy, pick this reference, this corner, pick this corner, place this edge on 30 degree inclination line. You need to switch off copy. You need to switch off copy. Select this, go to rotate, switch off copy, select this and this corner. Let's place it on 30 degree inclination line like this. Let's zoom this. Let us zoom this and check. This is not placed properly. Let's redo once again. Select this, go to rotate, select this corner, select this corner. Let us place on 30 degree inclination line like this. Now let us go for naming. So go to text times theorem 3.50. Let's keep this is, it's a prism, it's a prism. I'll say it's a of A1, A of A1, A of A1, okay. And this one I'll say B of B1. This one I will say C of C1, okay. This one I will say D of D1, and this corner I will say E of E1. Now let's find the center for this. Let's find the center, corner and midpoint of opposite edge, corner and midpoint of opposite edge, that gives the center. Corner, let's pick any one of the corner, opposite edge, midpoint. So that gives the center. So now this is the center for this. Now draw projection lines. from A of A1 draw vertical projection line, from B of B1 draw vertical projection line, from C of C1 draw vertical projection line, from D of D1 draw vertical projection line, from E of E1 draw vertical projection line, and from O of O1, this is the axis, O of O1 draw vertical projection line. This is O of O1, O of O1. Okay, I drawn the projection lines, vertical projection lines from all the corners. Next step is the height of the prism is given. The height of the prism is 60 mm. Let's draw axis line. Let's draw an axis. This is from here it should be 60. Angle should be 90 degree. Okay. Now again go to line. From here length should be 60, angle should be 90 degree. From here length should be 60, angle should be 90 degree. From here length should be 60, angle should be 90 degree. Then from here length should be 60, angle should be 90 degree. Then from here length should be 60, angle should be 90 degree. Now let's complete the front view. Now let us go for naming. This is A1 dash, this is A dash, this is B dash, this point is B1 dash, this is axis, okay, and this is E1 dash, this is E dash, this is C1 dash, this is C dash, this is D1 dash, this is D dash. Let's go for naming like this. So this is D dash, this is C dash, this is D dash, here this is E1 dash, this is B1 dash, this is E1 dash, this is C1 dash, this is E1 dash. Okay, now the next step is, so we need to introduce a cutting plane. This cutting plane is bisecting the axis. Let's measure this length. Total length is 60 and here this is 30 mm. Bisecting is exactly at the middle. Let's draw an horizontal line. And this distance is should be 30 degree. Let's mark 30 degree line, vertical line. Okay, now from here let's go with line. Select cutting sectional line or cutting line. Just draw an horizontal inclined line somewhere like this. Okay, and this inclination should be 60 degree to axis. Go to angle between this axis line and this cutting plane. It should be 60 degree. Now we can extend this. Let's extend this axis line. Let's extend the sectional line. I'll go to extend. I'll go to extend to next. I'm extending this. Then extend this. Okay. So extend it till this point. Let's trim the extra lines. I don't want this extra line. Okay. Now next step is, let's zoom this area for better visibility. Let's zoom this area for better visibility. Next step is, let's go for naming. Say this is say 1 dash. Okay, this point is, this intersection point is 2 dash. This point B, C, this is 3 dash. This is 4 dash, and E, this is 5 dash. Okay, now draw projection lines from here. Let's draw projection lines, horizontal projection line. Somewhere here you draw one vertical line. The base edge is 30 mm, so I'll go to offset. I'm offsetting this line. The distance is 30 mm. Let's offset this. Totally we need to get 5 edges. We need to get totally 5 edges. Okay, all should be 30. This is 30. Since we have for a pentagonal prism we have 5 base edges, that's why I offsetted 5 times. Offset 30 mm. Okay, next is draw projection line from, let's go with naming. I'll say this is A, capital A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and this is A. Let's keep, this is A1, this is B1, this is C1, this is D1, this is E1, and last one is A1. Okay, now from 1, draw 1 dash, draw projection line till AA1. Till AA1 you need to draw. Okay, from 2, this is 2, till you need to draw B. Okay, then from 3, this is 3, from 3 to C, till here you draw. From 4 to D, this is 4 to D. Okay, from 5, this is 5, this is 5, let's zoom this. From 5 to E, this is E. Okay, now let us join all the points using thicker line. So I'll join this to 1, then let's zoom this. So I'll join this and this, then this, then this, then this, then I join this, I join this, connect to this point, join this. Is a prism, it's a pentagonal prism. The longer edges, truncated longer edges should be visible. So I'm joining like this and this. Okay, so this is the development of lateral surface development of a truncated prism, a truncated pentagonal prism as per the given condition, and it should be visible. Let's make visible edges. The lines which are below the sectional plane, that should be visible. This is visible, this is visible, this is visible, from here to here is visible. Okay, then from this is visible, then this is visible, and it's a dotted, not visible. Let's make dotted. Okay, so this is the development of a truncated pentagonal prism. Thank you so much for watching my video.